Hi, this is Universe Addicted. Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, this is Universe Addicted signing in. Welcome to the new series, Planets of the Solar System. In this new series, we are going to see the interesting information about the planets in the solar system. We gonna start the series with the first planet in the proximity planet to the Sun, Mercury. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its average distance from the Sun is 58 million kilometers. It takes 88 days to complete one revolution around the Sun, which makes the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. So in this video, we gonna see some of the interesting facts about Mercury. Before getting into the video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Mercury is named after the Roman god, the god of messenger. The Roman Mercury had wings on his helmet and shoes. He could travel very quickly from place to place. The planet Mercury also moves very quickly around the Sun. That is how Mercury got its name. Mercury is one of the 4 terrestrial planets in the solar system. It did not hold any moon. Mercury revolves around the Sun in a unique way. It is tidally locked with the Sun. It rotates on its axis exactly 3 times for every 2 revolutions around the Sun. Its surface gravity of about 38% of Earth's gravity. Mercury is a rocky body like Earth. Its core mostly rich in the iron, and its surface has a high ratio of magnesium and silicon and a low ratio of aluminum and calcium. Mercury is the second highest density planet in the solar system at 5.42 grams per centimeter cube, which slightly less than the Earth's density. If there is no gravitational compression on both the planet Mercury and Earth, Mercury would be denser than the Earth. Because gravity compresses the objects and increases the mass in a given volume, if the mass increases, density also increases. It has a large core that occupies about 55% of volume, whereas Earth core occupies only 17%. Mercury has a huge iron core, which makes up a large part of it. Iron makes 70% of Mercury's total weight, which makes the Mercury the most iron-rich planet in the solar system. Mercury has the smallest tilt of any of the solar system planets. Due to this, Mercury does not experience any season. Until 2006, Pluto holds the high orbital eccentricity planet in the solar system. But after the Pluto classified as a dwarf planet, Mercury holds the high orbital eccentricity planet in the solar system with eccentricity equal to 0.2056. Although Mercury is the proximity planet to the Sun, it does not being the hottest planet in the solar system. Its surface temperatures is a range from 700 Kelvin in the day and 100 Kelvin at the night. Mercury is too small to hold its atmosphere, but it holds a thin exosphere, which contains hydrogen, helium, oxygen, sodium, potassium, and calcium. But the exosphere is not stable. It often lost by the solar wind. The surface of Mercury looks like the Earth's moon. It is covered with craters. The craters were made by the impact of rocks falling from space. One day all planets' core will chill and shed the heat. In this case, Mercury is no exception and started its core to chill. The unusual crater, forming cliffs and wrinkled line of ridges, which confirms that Mercury's interior started to cool. Due to the cooled core, Mercury starts to contract and its surface began to deform, creating wrinkle ridges and fault scarps. Mapping of the features has suggested that the total shrinkage of Mercury's radius in the range of 4 to 7 kilometers. Until 1974, it was thought that Mercury could not generate a magnetic field because of small size and slow rotation. But after the flyby of Mariner 10, it found the significance of Mercury. It has the global magnetic field, which is 1.1% that of Earth. Due to weak magnetosphere of Mercury, it offers little protection for the planet from the solar wind. After the flyby of Mariner 10, NASA's second mission Messenger spacecraft flyby held in 2008. This mission was designed to clear up 6 key issues, such as Mercury's high density, its geological history, nature of the magnetic field, the structure of its core, and whether it has ice at its poles and its thin atmosphere. Although the daylight temperature at the surface of Mercury is generally high, observation made by Messenger spacecraft when passes the planet, it strongly suggests that ice exists on Mercury. The floor-deep crater at poles never exposed to sunlight, and temperatures remain below 102 Kelvin, which is lower than the global average. It is estimated that Mercury would accumulate 11 trillion tons of water ice. And also Messenger determines the Mercury's surface composition, and also discovered details about internal magnetic field. The Messenger's final maneuver was on April 24, 2015, and it crashed into Mercury's surface on April 30, 2015. The spacecraft impacted on Mercury, and leaving a crater estimated to be 16 meters in diameter. WepaBow is the third spacecraft launched to study the Mercury. It was launched on October 20, 2018. It is a joint mission of the European Space Agency and the Japanese Space Agency. It will orbit Mercury with 2 probes, one to map the planet and another one to study the magnetosphere. WepaBow is expected to reach Mercury in 2025. These are some of the interesting facts about Mercury. Future missions to Mercury will reveal more about it in detail. So now we have come to the end of the video. Soon we will see in the next video. Until then, this is Universe Addicted signing off. If you love the video, like, share, and comment.